Joe with Kasco, just showing you my pond here. Got the diffused aeration system hooked up, but don't actually have it running right now. Let the pond ice over. Had some pretty cold weather here lately. Just chipped a little hole in the ice. You can see that's the chunk, so we're looking at near shore at least, close to 2 inches of ice here. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the diffuser. It's in about maybe 7 or 8 feet of water here, and we'll just do a kind of a time-lapse video showing how quickly it opens up the pond. Alright, it's been about 1 minute since I plugged in the diffuser. Not sure if you can see that, but zoom in here a little bit. You can see the water moving underneath that top layer of ice. Hasn't busted through quite yet, but it's definitely moving the water. You see the air bubbles expanding underneath. Just watch the stopwatch here and take a couple of quick short videos showing the progress. Here's another view showing it's moving underneath the ice. Hasn't broke through yet. A lot of water volume, a lot of air moving. Shouldn't be too long before it cracks through. Alright, we're right about 1 hour of runtime. You can see it's starting to crack through right above the de-icer. There's a couple, or right above the diffuser, there's a couple little holes that some air and water starting to come up. It's going to break through initially right there and then expand once that warm water gets up on top of the ice. It'll start melting from both directions and go real quick then. The air had found some ways to kind of get out some of these weak areas in the ice. Been bubbling out through punching a couple holes in the shallow or thin ice areas. You can see 1 hour into it, we're just about to break through a big area, and that was about 2 inches of ice. Alright, we are at 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we've completely broken through in the center. You can see my duck decoy is kind of sunk down in there. It must be still stuck in the ice, but all the water on top is starting to sink down the ice, and it's going to melt real quick now. That's 2 inches of ice, roughly maybe 7 or 8 feet deep, one diffuser, and 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we've broken through. I'll come down and check again. We'll keep it running until we get ice free right up to the edge of the shore here. Alright, here we are again, just shy of 2 hours and 15 minutes from initial startup. You can see the hole is expanded. Looks to be maybe 12-foot diameter or so. It's gotten large enough where the rest of the ice could float back up. The duck's floating again. Still not quite to the edge, but more than halfway. So we'll keep watching it and get a time when it opens up all the way to the shore here. Again, it's about 2 hours and 15 minutes, 2 inches of ice, and roughly 8 feet deep or so where the diffuser is placed. Alright, we're back here again. This is 3 hours from startup. You can see the hole is just about reaching the shoreline there, especially right over there. It's been running for 3 hours, 2 inches of ice, right about 8 feet deep, keeping a nice big area open here. The Wisconsin DNR has suggested 1 to 2% of pond or lake surface area needs to be open to prevent winter kill. So diffused aeration like this is a great way to keep areas open, plenty enough open to prevent any winter kill issues. They can also be used in marinas or around marine equipment to protect it from damage in the ice. A very economical, electrical efficient way of keeping ice away, melting ice if it's already there, and just a good way to aerate and improve water quality in your pond both summer and winter.